Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to the community of televisions around the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer in the community. On my short broadcast this afternoon, for all the televisions in the house, an information has gone out a couple of weeks ago in line with the new developments of accessing great and massive fund from the Lifeforce. Guys, the form has been in our back office on the dashboard, and everyone is expected to fill the form and submit. Simple. Just your country, your state, and your city. So you have to simply do that and submit. That is all that is required of you, which precedes another form that will be coming out on our back office this weekend. So guys, guess what? So as to fast track this process of this massive assembly gathering and releasing of funds for different developmental projects, let us hurry up. Let us go on and fill this form. Let's tell all our loved ones, all our referrals, everybody should go to their back office and fill this form. And at the same time, let us get active so as to be able to access this next form that is coming up in building up various assemblies. So guys, let's do that in a haste. It's very important. Love you all. Thank you. Want you to like this broadcast, share to your loved ones. Thank you.